How to earn SDEX rewards on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So when you go on the Aqua Networks website and check on the rewards and scroll down and see that there are different pairs which has SDEX rewards. So just select any of the pair that you want to participate for the SDEX rewards for. Suppose I want to participate for the SDEX rewards of XLM and USDC. So after selecting a particular pair, after looking at the Aqua Networks website, I will go on the Lobster wallet or any of the wallet that is currently I'm using, and I will go on the option of trade. After that, select that particular pair. So we selected the pair of XLM and USDC as shown over here. So we will just select the same pair over here as well. Now when we scroll down, we can see that there is this market going on and the current price is 0.121. So you need to place the order and keep your order alive on this particular SDEX in order to get the rewards. The closer your order is to the current market price of XLM or this particular pair, the more rewards you will be getting. But the reward amount is also dependent on the amount of order that you will be putting. Suppose someone is putting 2500 USDC order on this particular list, and that too quite close to this particular XLM market price. Either you can put your order closer to this one, and with the same amount you will be getting more rewards. But if you want to put your order away from this particular market list, suppose over here, then you need to put more amount of USDC in this particular order in order to get better rewards. Suppose I put an order of 5000 USDC over here, I will be getting good amount of rewards. So your rewards will depend on the closeness to the current market price and also the amount of order. So for that, just simply limit the order, type the amount that you want to use for this particular order and set the price. So make sure that you don't set the price similar to the current market price. Otherwise your order will be hit and you won't be earning any rewards. You need to keep your order alive by keeping it over here or on the other side, depending on the asset that you have. So you will be getting rewards on per hour basis. And in order to keep getting the rewards, you need to make sure that your order is alive 24/7. And this is how you do it. And in case if you want any consultancy from me, then you can just simply email me or comment down below. We will get in touch and you can pay me in XLM in order to get the consultancy. And why you should get consultancy from me? Because I have been in this particular reward system since the inception of this particular Aquarius website. I have been farming rewards and I have earned a lot using the SDEX or AMM rewards. And this way I will be able to help you out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.